Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young woman named Aya. She was kind-hearted, diligent, and loved by everyone in the village. However, Aya had a deep-seated fear that seemed to hold her back from reaching her true potential. This fear made her hesitant to take risks, try new things, and pursue her dreams. One day, Aya heard about a wise Zen master who lived atop a nearby mountain. This Zen master was renowned for helping people overcome their fears and find courage within themselves. Determined to conquer her own fear, Aya decided to seek the master's guidance. With trepidation, Aya climbed the steep mountain path until she finally reached the Zen master's humble dwelling. As she stood at the entrance, the master greeted her with a warm smile and invited her in for tea. The Zen master smiled knowingly and said, "Let me tell you a story. Once, there was a young warrior who was exceptionally skilled in martial arts. He feared nothing and had won countless battles. But he felt invincible and lacked humility. One day, he encountered a wise old master who was renowned for his bravery and wisdom. And so, the simple Zen master story of the young woman named Aya teaches us that to embrace courage and overcome fear, we must accept fear as a part of ourselves, acknowledge its presence, and choose to move forward with determination and